This one simple part is choking your engine right now. Today, I am showing you the top 5 air filters that will actually give your horsepower back and save you money at the pump. From simple factory replacements to high-performance upgrades, we have exactly what you need. Check the links in the description below to find the exact fit for your vehicle on Amazon, and let's get right into it. Coming in at number 5 is the Purolator ONE Advanced Engine Air Filter. If you are looking for a straightforward and reliable replacement, this is a fantastic choice. The Purolator ONE uses a high-density paper media that traps up to 99% of harmful dirt and dust, keeping it far away from your engine. What makes this filter stand out is the high-quality gasket around the edges. It provides a super tight seal, ensuring that absolutely zero unfiltered air gets through. It is a solid, budget-friendly option to get your engine breathing right again without voiding your new car warranty. But what if you drive a Hyundai or Kia? You will want to see number 4. At number 4, we have the KAX Premium Engine Air Filter. This one is a massive hit for Hyundai and Kia owners. Instead of complicated technical jargon, just know that KAX uses a special high-tech paper that catches even the tiniest dust particles. They combine this in a 3-layer process designed to meet strict original equipment standards. What does that mean for you? It means incredibly low air resistance and a clean, massive gulp of air for your engine. This improves your daily efficiency and maintains peak performance. You just swap this out every 12,000 miles. Now, if you are rocking a reliable Toyota or Lexus, our number 3 pick is made just for you. Taking the number 3 spot is the A Premium Engine Air Filter. Designed to fit a wide range of models from the Camry and RAV4 to the Lexus ES300H, this filter is all about a perfect, hassle-free fit. It drops right into the front airbox just like the factory original, providing excellent protection against engine wear by delivering a constant supply of clean air. Its high-quality construction ensures your engine stays protected for a full 12 months or 12,000 miles. It is an affordable way to keep those reliable Japanese engines running forever. But if you have a heavy-duty truck, you absolutely cannot miss number 2 because it is built for massive V8 engines. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the FRAM Extra Guard Replacement Engine Air Filter. This one is an absolute beast, specifically designed for heavy-duty vehicles like the Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Cadillac Escalade. FRAM is a legendary name in automotive care. It offers double the maximum protection compared to standard filters, easily handling the demands of huge engines. It traps dangerous dirt and filth that can cause serious engine damage over time. Plus, installation is a seamless DIY replacement that takes just minutes to complete. But what if you never want to buy another air filter again? Number 1 has you covered. And finally, the number 1 best car air filter for maximum performance is the K&N High Flow Original Lifetime Engine Air Filter. If you want a genuine upgrade rather than just a replacement, this is it. K&N completely ditches the standard paper design. Instead, they use 4 layers of premium cotton gauze. This creates a high-tech mesh that blocks dirt while allowing a massive increase in airflow. The result? Proven increases in horsepower and acceleration. But the absolute best part is that it is completely washable and reusable. Under normal driving conditions, you only need to clean it once every 75,000 miles. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, it is the last air filter your car will ever need. There you have it. Upgrading your air filter is one of the cheapest and easiest ways to give your car its power back. You can find links to all these exact filters in the description below to check current prices on Amazon. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to AutoRift for more car maintenance tips, and we will see you in the next one.